So a lot of people would look at this and say, ew, this is disgusting. Get the weed eater out, clean it out. It's terrible. It's true if you wanted to grow just grass. This is a terrible thing. You have so many different weeds growing in here. So you'd have to kill this weed and broad spectrum and just everything. Kill it all. But if you stop and think about it, this is actually beneficial. You don't want to grow a monoculture because if one thing comes in and say it's chinch bugs, then it's going to eat everything. Whereas this has a lot of biodiversity. So one pest might eat this plant, but it might not eat that plant. You want to have not a monoculture typically. So if we get closer and look at these plants, so this one right here, you can use it for medicinal purposes. It also has a taproot, and so it's able to dig down deep and get nutrients that, say, some of these other plants aren't able to do. So it's an interesting plant. And then if we get closer, so here is amaranth, right here. That one is an edible plant. You could use it like a spinach alternative. Same with the Spanish alba. That one is a spinach alternative as well. You could use the flowers to do pollinating. So you're getting the beneficial insects. Also, maybe some pests are in there that you don't want. But who cares if they eat the weeds? Because they're off your prized tomatoes. This also, if there are pests in here, can act like a barrier to entice the predatory insects to stick around because they have food. If you kill the pest, there's no food. Why would they stick around? So keep that in mind. All the plants have different benefits to you. This one fixes nitrogen. So it takes nitrogen from the air and is able to use it to make its own food. Whereas if you cut it, then you can feed these other plants that you did want to grow from free nitrogen from the air. It's an interesting concept. You could use these weeds to make weed tea. It's all about how you think about this kind of stuff. Instead of seeing this as a problem, it might be your solution. Just keep it in mind. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Bye.